Frank's first time seeing KB Subi.
Shit, I hate the winter. Alright, you ready to... Oh, you're already recording me?
How was KB's car?
Oh, that thing pulls. Let me tell you, that thing really pulls. Oh yeah, it was nice. It kind of makes my car look like a little pussy, but it's fine because I'll be there one day.
So, buddy, what happened to your brakes?
So, me and Gabby and Carlos are all going to Chili's, and Gabby and Carlos are in the BRZ, and I'm in my Subaru, and we're next to each other at the red light. And Carlos goes, "Oh, you wanna race?" And I was like, "Oh, bet, nice. This is finally the time." So I press on the brake to stop at the red light, and next thing I know, my brake pedal falls to the floor, and then I almost shit my pants, screaming out to Carlos, "Oh, my brake is on the floor! My brake is on the floor!" And then he's like, "Oh, just go to Starbucks." So I'm shitting my pants, going like 20 miles an hour the whole way, and then now apparently Carlos is saying my tire ate my brake line, and now I have no brake fluid. So Jesus Christ.
How long have you had those brakes?
They were brand new, like never used until like a week ago. So technically I've had the brakes on for like a month, but they've only been used for like a week.
Buddy, try this.
Come on, Gavin, I'm on the best mood right now.
Let's try it.
Joe tea, half lemonade, half lemon tea? Lemon tea and lemonade? Come on, both lemon, just can't be that great. Oh, let me tell you, Joe knows what he's doing. Let me tell you.
I was in third.
Oh, baby, I'll be stuck to you like glue, baby. Wanna spend it all on you, baby. Tell me about the vacation.
What the
Oh, I see.
fuck? You ate the brake line?
Yeah, I did, right against the tire.
Oh, that's crazy. Just because of the freaking placement of the freaking... real quick, not funny, I think you gotta pull this up some more. And then I think...
Wasn't me and Fuji Dre that looked at you? He's like, yeah, I'm about to buy some, but nah. Just tell me the story.
So, I fucked up. Big oof. Big fuck up. Botched. 100%. Botched. We don't talk about it though.
Alright, what's up everyone? So as you know, my brake line popped while I was on 300 about to race Carlos. So now we got Ivan here. He's doing the brake line. Because it's Ivan's fault. Ivan, I could have died, man, if I wasn't already stopped at a light. What the hell? I could have been dead today. I could have been toast. Just thank God I wasn't. But anyway, so yeah, we got Ivan here doing it. So yeah, I'll just show you guys a little bit of footage of what they're doing. So I just went to AutoZone and I just picked up a replacement rubber brake line just for now. Eventually I'm going to get a new stainless steel brake line for it, but for now this will have to do, and yeah. Alright, I really appreciate this guy for coming out and doing my brakes. Hopefully I'm gonna make it home alive tonight.
You're welcome.
Thanks, buddy.